Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Replica Entertainment Mix S. I want to give a huge shout out to Fred from One Stop Diecast for sending this over super quick. Make sure to get these cases from him. So let's crack this case open and see what's inside. The box comes with two full sets, and the cars in the set are the Volkswagen Classic Bug, the Mystery Machine, Rick's Ship, the RC car, and the Pizza Planet truck. The RC car and the Pizza Planet truck have already been made in previous mixes, so I'm not going to be opening these. And you can check out my video when I open these. I'll put the links in the description below. So let's open up these three cars. The first car is the Volkswagen Classic Bug. So this is the Forza 7 Motorsport, or Forza Motorsport 7. And on the back of the card, just shows the car, and then Forza Motorsport 7. So this Volkswagen is a really nice light blue. Then here's the back, it says Forza, the backlights. Then Forza right here, Forza logo. And I wish there were a little bit more tampos maybe on the top and then on the hood, because the little stripe on the bottom doesn't show that much. But it's still a pretty clean Bug. And then the tan interior. This has only been made 3 times, and we first saw it in the Cruise Boulevard set. So next up is the Mystery Machine. So here's all the characters, then Scooby-Doo. On the back it just says Scooby-Doo. So let's open this up. So this Mystery Machine, of course, says a Mystery Machine. Then the orange interior. And then the orange rims. And the green and the blue. Just what the classic Mystery Machine looks like. Collectors love this casting, and we have seen this as a convention car, super, and ID car. So the last car is Rick's Ship. This is from the Rick and Morty cartoon, and in the cartoon, this is called the Space Cruiser. So let's open this up. And then also on the back of the card just says Rick and Morty. And then here's the actual ship. So it's cool like a UFO. Then here's the jets. And here's a little stand. You can put this on the stand. So here's what it looks like on the stand. And this would look really cool on a shelf, because you could just put it like this. So big props to Manson Chung who designed this. He did a really good job on designing this. This is a new casting, and there's a new Rick and Morty set coming out as well. My favorite car out of these 3 is the Mystery Machine. It's just a classic Mystery Machine. But if I were to choose out of all 5, it would probably still be the Mystery Machine. But it's cool to see the RC and the Pizza Planet because I know a lot of people like those too. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Replica Entertainment Mix S.